Right now, 4 of the nation's top health experts and members of the Trump administration testifying on Capitol Hill in front of the Senate Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions Committee. Top infectious disease expert Dr. Anthony Fauci, CDC Director Robert Redfield, HHS Assistant Secretary Admiral Brett Giroir, and FDA Commissioner Stephen Hahn are briefing the Senate and warning that the surges we're seeing now could even get worse.
We are now having 40+ thousand new cases a day. I would not be surprised if we go up to 100,000 a day if this does not turn around. And so I am very concerned.
All right, let's go straight to Capitol Hill. NBC News correspondent Leigh Ann Caldwell is there for us. Leigh Ann, obviously this was a very closely watched hearing. The title of the hearing is Update on Progress Towards Safely Getting Back to Work and Back to School. Has that been, though, the focus thus far, or has it focused on what has led to this recent surge in cases across the south of the country?
Well, Eamon, that's right. That was supposed to be the focus of this hearing. The chairman of the committee, Senator Lamar Alexander of Tennessee, I was speaking to him last week, and he said one of his biggest focuses on an upcoming COVID relief bill and everything that Congress does is going to be about getting kids back to school. He says it's going to take a lot of money to do so and that Congress needs to address that. But at this hearing today, we're still having a debate that was happening months ago on this issue of masks. You heard from Republicans and Democrats bringing up the issue of masks and how important they are. Again, Senator Alexander, he opened the hearing saying that the president himself needs to lead by example and start wearing a mask because there's so many people who follow him and would take his lead. But while this issue of masks was a big highlight of this hearing, you also heard, as you played, some pretty devastating news from Dr. Fauci saying that if things continue down the path that we are currently on, the high of cases that is currently at 40,000 will reach as many as 100,000 cases a day, Eamon. So, this hearing was not a lot of good news when they wanted to look forward at the reopening of this country and getting kids back to school. Instead, a lot of more very troubling signs as cases continue to spike across the U.S.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.